I don't have a lot of time today, but I'm going to try to get as much of the cement board installed as I can, at least in the upper portion and around the fireplace. And we'll see how far I get. I'm about to try and dry fit this again.
Would you want me to help you, or you want me to videotape you? I think that's perfect. It really does look perfect.
I'm gonna see if I can get this first piece of cement board up.
Looks like it's gonna stay.
Looks like it's gonna stay.
Are these hard to get in?
Well, I'm just starting a couple of them because I want to.
Okay, you want to something?
I want to lift this up as much as possible before I screw it in.
Oh, I see you added your extra board. Dry fitting?
Yeah.
Oh no.
What?
Oh.
Well, that's because
That is.
these are 36 inches.
But you just cut that. Oh, you cut the other end.
Yep.
Oh, so are you just gonna balance it between the two?
You know what I should do?
Should put it longways.
Yeah.
I'm sure you cut it. So.
It's alright. I want that 3 inches off of it. That's definitely what I should do.
That looks great. How do you feel about the coverage?
Good. I just gotta trim a couple of these spots where it broke,
Okay.
or it's just a hair a little too long.
So that you have a closer fit?
Yeah, because like right here,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
just where it broke, more material stayed than what I needed. So just catching.
Okay.
I am gonna need your help.
Yeah, just to hold it up.
Yep.
No problem. Let me give the soup a stir, and then I'll be over. Oh, I dropped it.
How about you grab the?
There we go.
Why don't you grab the scoop gun behind you?
Okay. Like this?
Right there. Perfect. Keep going. Push.
I don't know what.
Good. Okay, grab another screw. They're right there.
Oh. I didn't have enough leverage because it's so high.
Right here.
Oh, which one?
Right here in the middle one.
This one?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to help me push it.
Actually, go this one. The next to it. Perfect.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Wait, you made that look easy. Did I push it too far?
No, it just hadn't gone all the way until it was flush yet.
Huh. Building that hearth is making this project a little bit easier for you.
Standing up.
Yeah, you're using it like a ladder.
I put cement board up because this slate is fairly heavy and I didn't want to risk the slate pulling the drywall, like pulling the drywall apart with its weight.
Oh, so I had a little bit of a wonder about, you know, like, is it heat because it's fireplace? But this is a gas fireplace and it had drywall before.
Yeah, it had drywall before, but like there's a whole bunch of layers of paint and all that stuff on it and texture, and I didn't want to hang this much stone on drywall.
They're heavy, like just one piece is heavy.
Yeah, and this stuff will do really well to hold it up.
We have that one that will fit that section, and then he only has to, I mean, you have to still make 2 cuts. That's cool. So this piece is your 37?
It's just 37 wide. Okay, and then I just gotta cut.
Are you gonna do 1 cut or 2 cuts?
Well, I can't snap it if I do an L, so
Right.
I'm just gonna cut. It's gonna be way easier just to cut
Your
straight
rectangle.
across, snap it, and then
And then do another
it's
one.
much easier to do that. If this was plywood, I would just cut the L because then I get more stability that way. But this will work great.
You did it.
Yep.
Do you feel good?
Yep.
How long have you been working on this?
Since like 3:30.
It's like 2 hours, 2.5.
Well, I had to do the cut and nail these in, and then I built the little brace for down here so that I could hang the little bell bracket off of it.
That makes sense. Cool. Good job.
down first so that I can get underneath here.
Okay. Do you have to fill in that tiny spot right
Nope.
here?
Nope.
I didn't think so.
But
because there's going to be something sitting on there and it's not going to
yeah,
be...
the stone is going to come up past the edge here.
Yeah. That'll look nice.
But I didn't want to have to notch this to get it underneath, which I would have had to done if I did this piece first.
Makes sense.
Harder to break when it's such a small piece.
Did you cut both sides?
No? Cut it with a sawzall, it's gonna make too much dust. Piece is 40 3/4.
Do you have any that long?
None that I don't have any pieces of them. I'll have to use a full sheet. It's 36. So I'm going to get at least 2 pieces out of this anyway. One's going to be 14 3/4. The other one's going to be 16 1/4.
And you're going to the top of the other cement board?
So it's 31.
And
I'm going to use almost a whole board.
to
So
do those 2 pieces? Or actually only half of the bottom and half of the top.
yeah, so it's going to cover this
Mm-hmm.
and then this.
Yep.
So I'm going to cut the whole board at 40 3/4
So that it lines up on the
on the
stud.
studs. Yeah. 40
So-
3/4, and then I'll cut it lengthwise so that it fits this and this.
That's a good use of the piece.
Yep. So the impact gun.
And it's a lot quieter.
Yeah, because it's not doesn't impact like the impact gun does.
But the results will be the same.
Yeah. I just set it up so that it'll also release when it gets to a certain resistance. That's what that clicking is.
Uh-huh.
So that it doesn't screw these too far into the cement board. Doesn't ruin it. I finished putting up the cement board around the fireplace and around the hearth, and this is what it looks like right now.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
I finished
Yes.
putting up the...
Yeah.